We are welcoming you for a new episode of College Review. Today we'll talk about one more important university of Bengaluru, that is Christ University. Christ University is known for its management courses like BBA, MBA. This university is established in 1969. It means this is one of the oldest university in Bengaluru. They do have many campuses in Bengaluru and other part of the India. They do have campus in Ghaziabad also. In this video today we'll talk about the faculty of this university, infrastructure of this university, ROI of this university, and the most important placement of this university. We'll also let you know about the strength and weakness of this university so that you can know each and everything about this particular university. If in case you want to fill any of the Bengaluru colleges or university form, don't fill by yourself. We do have coupon code. With that coupon code, form cost will be either 0 or 50% discount. If you need pass out student name and number or the current student name and number, you do have my number on the screen, 9891898289. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us anytime so that we can give you the name and number of the pass out students, and you have to contact with these students and you get to know each and everything about particular college or the university. Talking about the accreditations, university is approved by UGC, Union Grant Commission. The university is approved by NBA, National Board of Accreditation. University is NAC A+ grade. So this university is approved by each and every government identity. So accreditation recognition wise, university is quite strong. What is the admission process? Eligibility criteria is same as the other universities or the colleges. Minimum 50% is required in your graduation, followed by CAT, MAT, ZAT, ETMA, स्कोर कार्ड. अगर हम देखें तो मैट 2024 एक्सेप्ट करेगा यूनिवर्सिटी, दिसंबर मैट एक्सेप्ट करेगा, फरवरी मैट एक्सेप्ट करेगा, सी मैट 2025 एक्सेप्ट करेगा, जेड करेगा, एटमा करेगा, जी मैट करेगा, JRE एक्सेप्ट करेगा. बात करते हैं एडमिशन की कि मैट में 600 से प्लस अगर स्कोर है तो आप यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. कैट में 60% इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर एप्लीकेशन एंड जेड 60%, सी मैट 60%, एटमा 60% and GMAT score is 450 and GRE score is 295. Then you can apply for this university. You need to fill the form followed by GD and PI process. Then if you are selected, you need to submit the registration amount followed by the first, second and third installment. University MBA का रहता हुआ दिखाई देगा. Talking about the fee structure, for the first year fees, university will charge you 5,20,000 and the second year 5,20,000 if you are a Karnataka state students, and if you are the other Indian state student, then you need to submit 5,30,000 in the first year, and second year you need to submit 5,30,000. So total is 10,60,000 for the other state and 10,40,000 for the Karnataka state. And if you are an NRI candidate, then you need to submit 6 lakh rupees in the first year and 6 lakh rupees in the second year. So total fee structure is almost 12 lakh for the NRI student. For the hostel, you need to submit extra amount. We talk about the student life. They do have Kangeri campus. They do have many other campuses also. Campus life is superb in this university. Lush green campus, hostel and dining is also available, library facility is available, NCC sports and game facility you will find over here. So university have good infrastructure. Now come to the most important part of this video, ROI, return on investment of this university. Claim wise, university claim that on an average package is 7.97. It means almost 8 lakh per annum is the on an average package which universities are claiming, and 21.46 LPA is the highest package which university is claiming. So कितना सच है नहीं सच है, you have to directly contact with the students or you need to visit the campus first and then talk to the students so that you can know each and everything about this placements claim. क्या पता ये जो क्लेम कर रही है यूनिवर्सिटी ये सच है नहीं है, बच्चों से बात करना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है. इफ़ इन केस यू कैन विजिट द कैंपस, यू कैन विजिट कैंपस, अदरवाइज यू कैन आस्क मी for the name and number of the pass out students so that you can get in touch with these students and know each and everything about Christ University. Now come to the most important part, strength and weakness. They do have many strengths, like campus infrastructure is very good, location is very good, faculty is one of the best, ROI is also good, and the placement wise means students are getting is very good. About the weakness, there are few weakness also. On an average package can be better क्योंकि क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ ए बिग नेम, यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम काफ़ी अच्छा है. ऑन एन एवरेज पैकेज को ठीक किया जा सकता है. दूसरा, बिकॉज दिस इज ए प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी, सो नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज रनिंग इन दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ ऑन द हायर साइड. कई सारे नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज रन होते हैं, इस वजह से हो सकता है किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम पे उतना फोकस न रह पाए जितना रहना चाहिए. देयर आर मेनी अदर वीकनेसेस ऑल्सो विच यू कैन आस्क मी फ्रॉम द डायरेक्टली. यू डू हैव माई नंबर ऑन द स्क्रीन, 9891898289. कॉल मी एनी टाइम. Thank you. Thanks a lot.